guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this pretty face for the first time, do make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and today we are gonna do hairstyle as well. So today we are gonna do a heatless crimps. You might have heard about heatless curl, heatless straightening, and whatnot, but we are doing this crimps for the first time. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. For this, make sure that you detangle your hair first. Mine is quite fine. And we are gonna divide it into like this two parts, two equal parts. I don't have that separator comb with me right now. Yeah, this is how you're gonna divide. Okay, I've done an asymmetrical bob जो कि कभी समझ नहीं आता until your hairs get straight enough like this right now. And बुरी बात ये है कि अभी बहुत रात हो रही है. I've just like done a shoot and tomorrow I need those baby hairs for a cookie video. If you guys aren't following me on my Instagram channel, do check that out because I post multiple fashion contents over there and you guys gonna love it. Okay, we are done with the separation of our hair section into two, and now we'll do it here further as well, like this. Make sure that you do it into equal half because this is the only way when crimps would come nice. We'll start it from here. We'll make a 3-strand braid. I guess all might be knowing what a 3-strand braid is, but still, if you guys don't know, here are the 3 strands. I'll take this. I'll take this from behind. I'll put it in the middle and then I'll take this and then put it in the middle and then I'll take this. I'll again put it in the middle. We have to do this for the whole hair length and make sure that you do it tightly. Also, it's an overnight crimp, तो आप करके ऐसे सो जाओ, or else if you can't, make sure that you leave it for like good 6 to 7 hours. Also, I've seen people using aloe vera gel for a good hold. Like if you guys don't want to use a setting spray, setting cream, you can use aloe vera gel over your hair, like all over your hair, and then start braiding. It kinds of act as a heat protector, and this I've personally felt. B, it holds your hair quite nicely, but I have used that Patanjali's aloe vera gel. I haven't used like a proper aloe vera gel, so I'm not sure if that would work. You can see, right? I have an aloe vera slash with me. The same you have to do with the other section as well. So like we are done with not only 2 chotis but yeah 4 chotis. You can like also divide it into more section like 3 years or like 4, 4, 4, 8, anything if you want, but I'm pretty happy with this and I don't want to give my fingers pain by braiding like 10 chotis over here. So I am happy with this. You can definitely go for more because the more you will braid, the more dense it will look and it will look amazing. Abhi tak you haven't seen the results, but when you will be blown. और मैं इस पे कुछ भी apply नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'll just change, take my makeup off, and then I will be off to sleep. Tomorrow morning we will see how the condition of it is, and then when I will finally get ready, I'll show you how it turned out. Okay, now it has been like more of a 7 to 8 hours. और ये situation देख के बहुत easily समझ आ रहा होगा that I've slept overnight, and now it's time to open. Like, I have done my makeup. There's a shoot just after 10 minutes, and I have to, like, the only thing left now is to just open it. So this is how it looks. I'm pretty happy with the results because मैंने ऐसे काफी बार करा है and I'm used to this, and I love that texture, how it has turned out. And that's it. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye bye.